In this video, I'm going to show you how to create two-way data table to answer what-if questions. Let's use a mortgage loan analysis as an example. The down payment of loan is $0. The loan principal is $90,000 and the term of the mortgage is 30 years. A client wants to know what if the terms of the mortgage changes and also the interest rate changes, how his monthly payment will be different. Let me delete the data. To use data table, you're going to highlight the area, click what if analysis, select data table. Since you put the term of the mortgage in the row, so over here, you're going to ask Excel to use the new data to replace the term that's in cell F11. Similarly, because you put this new interest rate in a column over here, you're going to ask Excel to use the data in the column to replace the original interest rate, which is stored in cell F10. Now, you're all set for the data table. Click OK.